funny thing about this one is that I don't even need a costume. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Savannah and I make videos on my life and my style. Today I am going to give you guys a few costume slash outfit ideas for Halloween, which at the time of filming this video is still a few weeks away. All of the pieces that I'm going to show you are things that I already had or super affordable. You can rewear these pieces, which is great because then you don't have super hyper specific costumes just going to waste. I will link everything in the description box. With that being said, let's get right into it. This scarf is so much longer than I thought. Oh my god. My first costume is Daphne from Scooby-Doo, and for all of these looks I wanted to get a little more creative than just buying the costume outright because that's no fun. So I got a long sleeve purple dress, paired that with lilac tights, a lilac headband, and this green scarf. I chose not to wear a wig, but you are more than welcome to. The next look, and my only semi-spooky look, is Tiffany Valentine, aka the Bride of Chucky. I wore a white strapless top with a black leather jacket on top, and I was finally given an excuse to wear this choker that I've been hanging on to since 2016. A lot of what makes this look cool is the makeup, so don't forget your fake beauty mark. The third look is Miss Elle Woods. I've seen a lot of different versions of this, but I chose to grab a pink dress and some Y2K sunglasses and call it a day. To add a little spice, I added in the pink butterfly clips that I already had to complete this look. My last look is super simple, and I have been this costume more than once. So this year I decided to switch up my devil costume and wear this red strapless top, same style as the white one, and just throw on devil horns and you are good to go. You can throw on a leather jacket on top. In PA, it's really cold on Halloween. My bedroom is a freaking disaster. And that is it for me today, guys. If you have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video could inspire you in some way to use something that you already own for Halloween this year, or inspire you to rush to Amazon and get something. Like I mentioned, I will leave all of the links for these products that I had in the description below. If you like what you see in this video, click that like button and subscribe to my channel. In the month of October, I have been posting super consistently. With that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye.